Hi everyone, I am Praveen Sagar from KP Spoken English. Today I am going to tell you how to improve your spoken English and be fluent in the short time. I think you must have heard many people while speaking that for improving your spoken English, you should watch videos on YouTube, read newspapers, learn grammar and learn more vocabulary. But I am saying you that this is not so. For improving your spoken English, I am telling you 2 and 3 tips. Work on them. First, many people speak that I am weak at grammar and that's why I am not able to speak English language. I think you must have seen many teachers in your life who have been teaching English and grammar for many years. Do they all are able to speak fluent English? I think no. Second example, I think there is a child 4 and 5 years young. He speaks Hindi fluent. Does he know the grammar? He doesn't know grammar. So I mean to say that for learning a language, grammar is not needed. What you do? Do one thing, that be in the contact of the people who are able to speak English. Be in the contact of those people. You think that I do not have anyone who is able to speak English surrounding me. Then do one thing, speak yourself. Record your voice, make your videos, listen to them and speak again and again alone in your room. By doing that, you can improve your spoken English. And take somebody's help for improving that. Keep speaking. You are speaking wrong and right doesn't matter. Because this is the truth. When you do something or a new work first time, I think everybody makes mistakes. So don't think about your mistakes first of all. The person who thinks that I'm speaking wrong or right, he never be able to speak spoken English. First work is that listen the English. As much as you will listen, that much you will improve your spoken English. First listen the English videos. Be in the contact of the people who are able to speak English. Make them call, talk to them any topic. If you do not have the surrounding of spoken English people, then start by yourself. You should start, record your voice, make your videos, watch them again and again. Is that clear? There are only 2 tips for learning a language. Listen and speak only. Okay. One question I want to ask you all, that I think you must have babies in your home. How did you teach them to speak Hindi? How did you teach them? Did you teach them grammar? No. What you did? You spoke these sentences before that child again and again. You tried to make that child speak these sentences. And that child tried a lot. First he spoke wrong. You laughed at him when he mispronounced the word which had been spoken by you. But that child didn't lose his heart. He did practice again and again. And you also tried to make him speak the Hindi language. And after some months, that child becomes fluent in Hindi. The same way is applied on you. Listen and speak only.